Hi everyone, welcome to Malaysia's Home Cooking. Today I'm going to show you a very super easy recipe for making roti canai or parathas or Indian flatbread. Roti canai can be served with your favorite curry. As we were growing up in Malaysia, you can eat it for breakfast with a bit of sugar, dipping it for snacks or for breakfast. So we have here in front of us 4.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 to 1.5 cups of water, 2 whole eggs, 3 teaspoons of salt, and butter as required for the bread. So this recipe will make up to 18 pieces of roti canai. So firstly, we're going to add to the flour the salt and just going to give it a whisk. And then we're going to make a hole in the middle. I'm going to add in the 2 whole eggs. And then I'm going to add in the water slowly and mix the dough in. Using my hand, I'm just going to mix the dough in. So that it's all well mixed. Now I'm going to cover them and leave it in the fridge to rest for about 30 minutes. So now the dough has rested for half an hour in the fridge. We're just going to take it out. I'm going to divide them into 18 pieces. So now it's been divided into 18 pieces. We're going to shape each pieces into a bowl. So now it's all been shaped into bowl. We're going to cover them up and leave in the fridge again for about 15 minutes. So now the dough, after resting for 15 minutes, we're going to start rolling them up into 60 centimeter diameter round, and we're going to roll them up into a cone. We're going to put butter on top, sprinkle of flour, and we're going to roll them into a cone. Butter all around the dough. And then with pizza cutter into diameter, and we're going to start rolling. I'm going to open out the paddle, like the flour, open it up, and then I'm going to press it down. So now it's all been rolled up. We're going to cover it again with plastic wrap and leave it in the fridge for 15 minutes before I roll up and fry the roti canai. So after 15 minutes now the dough is all ready. We can roll them out and we're going to fry them on a frying pan. So after rolling to 6 or 7 centimeter diameter, we're now going to fry them. I'm going to heat up the pan. Once it's heated up, just going to put it in. Just put a bit of butter. So now you just keep frying until it's all finished. Just turn it and put a bit of butter and just carry on till the rice is finished. So here's our roti canai, parathas or Indian flatbread. So look how crispy it is and flaky. Nice and flaky. So hope you enjoy today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and like if you enjoy it, and look forward to see you again next time.